Hello, my name's Mandy Duncan. I'm Senior Lecturer in Education at Staffordshire University. I've recently written an article in The Conversation about my research. I wanted to find out about children's experiences of the child protection system. I wanted to find out whether they felt that they had been able to take part in child protection investigations, and whether they felt that they had been listened to and had their views taken seriously in the process. I found that actually this wasn't the case for many children. Some of the key points in the child protection investigation create very formal and quite intimidating situations for children, which they found difficult to take part in. So, for example, many children, or for many children, the first indication they have that they're the subject of a child protection investigation is when a social worker and police officer turn up, often unannounced, sometimes at school, to video an interview with them for later use in court, the idea being that that saves them from having to make an appearance in court. Children feel particularly unprepared for this eventuality and quite vulnerable, particularly those who have experienced sexual abuse. They find it very difficult to talk about their abuse in those circumstances. Previously, this might have been socially taboo, not something they felt comfortable talking about. They often can't find the right vocabulary to describe what has happened to them. And they often haven't attached the same significance to details such as dates and times that their interviewers have. So this can create a really pressured situation for them, and sometimes children get very upset and find it easier to say nothing.